Are you looking for a reliable way to convert MSG emails into PDF format with attachments? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to PDF Converter offers a quick and efficient solution to transform your Outlook MSG files into Adobe PDF while maintaining data accuracy. Key highlights of MSG to PDF Converter. Smart MSG to PDF conversion for seamless results. Batch processing to convert multiple MSG files at once. Preserves metadata such as to, CC, BCC, date, and subject. Windows-based utility designed for all types of users. How it works, step by step. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear MSG to PDF Converter on your system. Step 2. Select MSG as the input file format. Step 3. Choose folder mode or file mode and upload MSG files. Step 4. Select Convert to PDF as the output format. Step 5. Click Browse and select the destination location to save PDFs. Step 6. Hit the Convert Now button to begin the process. By following these steps, you can easily convert MSG emails into PDF files without compromising quality. The tool ensures accurate results and can be used by professionals, organizations, and individual users alike. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.